how to withdraw from Perfect Money to bank account. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you how to withdraw from Perfect Money to bank account. Alright, so let's begin. First, you should open Perfect Money on your browser as you can see. Then once you open it, you have to log in using your account. And after logging in, it will show you this bar right here. And here you have this option withdrawal. You can simply click on it, and after that you will have to choose the available way. You can do cash withdrawal, e-currency, e-voucher, bank wire, and so on. And after you choose the withdrawal method, you should now fill in some information in order to get this money on your account. And when you also open the main menu right here, you will find here this section how to withdraw. When you try to look at it, it will show you some instructions that you can actually use. And if you find any problem withdrawing your money, you can simply click on contact us right here and talk to the support. So that's basically how you can withdraw from Perfect Money to bank account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.